Mere tolerance is not good enough. We need to create an atmosphere of acceptance that embraces life in all its diversity. Yoga is, quite simply, the science of being in perfect alignment, in absolute harmony, in complete sync with existence. The job of a guru is not to interpret the scriptures, but to take you to another dimension of life. Whether you have anger, hatred, jealousy, or resentment against someone, essentially it only works against you. May you realize the true purpose and potential of life. On this Guru Purnima, grace is upon you. I am with you. Blessings. Karma functions through certain tendencies, but with some awareness and focus, you can push it in the direction that you wish. Human beings need entertainment to hide their madness. If they were perfectly sane, they could just sit and watch the flower blossom. The very life within you is longing to be blissful, because blissfulness is the nature of the source of creation. The way you eat not only decides your physical health, but the very way you think, feel, and experience life. Gratitude is not an attitude. Gratitude is something that flows out of you when you are overwhelmed by the recognition of what you have received. To be human means you can mold situations the way you want them. Do you want to look good or feel good? How wonderful you feel within yourself is most important. One significant thing that you can do for your children is to invest some time into taking them out into nature. If all of us did what truly matters to us, this would be a fantastic world. Challenging times are an opportunity for individuals and the nation to rise above their comfort zones and enhance life. The universe is not human centric. Every life form has a role to play. That is the beauty of it. If you want to enjoy success, before you engineer situations, first of all you have to engineer yourself. Are you here to experience life or to think about it? If you enhance your energy system to be blissful, loving, to be life sensitive, is a natural outcome. What you think of yourself and what the world thinks of you is only socially relevant. Existentially, only the core experience of life matters. Being alive is the most significant phenomenon, not just on this planet, but in the whole cosmos. When there are troubles within us, we must address them head on. Do not look for distractions. Distraction is not the solution. Competitors are not enemies. They are people who keep reminding you of your own shortcomings, your quality control. Yoga works miraculously. The only thing is, you have to do it. No one is expecting you to be perfect, but are you a constant striving to be better? That is all that matters. You are stressed because you have not engineered your own system to function friction free. That is why inner engineering. Right now, the most important aspect of conserving nature is the soil. If we do not stop soil degradation, the planet will not be conducive for human beings to live upon it. If you are full of life, you naturally choose something difficult and dangerous. If you have not much life in you, you only choose comfort. Do not settle for a limited experience of life. Where there is limitation, there is a possibility of breaking it. Wherever you are, whatever you do, this is the time for you to rise and show what you are made of.